Welcome to the maiden voyage of my video adventures on this shiny new platform. For this grand experiment, I decided to don my metaphorical top hat and goggles and dive into the world of steampunk, just to see how various AI tools handled my peculiar prompt. The challenge? To whip up a short AI-generated video using entirely free tools. Music, voiceover, visuals, the works. And yes, it turns out it is possible. Just don't expect Hollywood-level visuals. More like Victorian cosplay on a shoestring budget. Still not bad for 0 pennies. As you might expect, most companies are happy to let you dip your toes in the AI pool, just long enough to reel you in. Think of it like a free sample at a bakery. Delicious, but don't expect a whole cake. Still, these limited trials are a brilliant way to get a feel for how AI image generation works and to learn the ropes, without draining your wallet or your will to live. A few things to note. Free tools come with a price, watermarks, and your generated content? Not exactly private, that's in the fine print. I squinted to read it, so you don't have to. Minimax Hailu AI runs on a ticking clock. It's free, but time is literally money here. Once that trial ends, so does your free ride. So get cracking. Runway offered a free trial too, but it felt very one-night stand. Once you've used it, that's your lot. No second date. Leonardo AI is a bit more generous. 150 tokens a day. Enough to play around and flex your creative muscles, but not enough to go full Da Vinci. Be warned. Adding images to the video generator will eat into your daily tokens faster than a fat man at a pie-eating contest. Gemini only gave me images. Nice ones, but just images. So I passed those on to Magi AI, which turned them into video. Sort of. Let's just say it's still a work in progress. You get 500 monthly credits. Decent, but they vanish quickly. Pro tip: new email, new credits. The AI gods have spoken. Vidnoz is another image-to-video tool. Also free. Also not winning any Oscars soon. But hey, if it's free, it's for me. ChatGPT helped, working together and prompting the prompts. It seems other tutorials out there recommend this software. It didn't let me down. Creating the prompts and the text for this video, I used CapCut, a fantastic tool for beginners. It's got a free version that does the job, and I used it to assemble my AI-born clips and add some music, also AI-generated via prompts, because why not go full cyborg? 11 Labs provided me with my text and dulcet tones narrating this fine cinematic work. So that's my first dive into AI-generated video making, on a budget of exactly £0. It was a whirlwind of learning, pixelated faces and frantic Googling. But if you're curious and willing to experiment, and aren't allergic to watermarks, it's a fun, free way to explore what these tools can do.